Okay, what's going on everyone? I've been trying to film this video of going to Rage to Speed on the back roads for like 2 days now, but it's been raining, so today it's finally dry, but it's very cold out, so speed's all ready to rip. I found a road pretty close to my house, and I would go do this at nighttime for the cool Toge JDM style points, but since I've never driven this car on back roads before, I never really pushed it that hard, I'm gonna do it during the day, and I can check out this road that I just found. So anyway, gonna throw some GoPros on the car, might get some gas because I'm a little low and I don't wanna go too low since I'm raging it pretty hard. But anyway, yeah, let's get the GoPros on the car and then we'll start heading to rip a little bit. The only thing I'm kind of concerned about are those torn axle boots. The axles themselves were fine, I felt them, but I just don't know how long they're gonna last, you know, since all the grease is coming out. But yeah, we're just gonna send it. It's pretty close to my house, so let's go. Okay, of course, right before I get ready to go, I'm working on getting all the GoPros on, and it starts sprinkling, so we're gonna rush. I'm gonna skip the gas. I'll be right, I still have a quarter tank. I got the GoPro on the front anyway, so that should look good. Hopefully that stays on there. And then I got the inside view, and look at that bird crap. Are you kidding me? That's gonna be in the way, but whatever. Let's go before it rains anymore. Okay, I'm slightly worried that the GoPro on the front may fly off, so that is a concern. But I'm more concerned about this rain. It probably doesn't look that dark on camera, but it's starting to sprinkle more and more. So we're gonna go try and rip these roads as quick as we possibly can. And yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna be going like 10 tenths because yeah, I've never raged this car, and especially if it's gonna be slick out now, I'm not gonna go crazy stupid hard. By the way, it's only 54, so that means two things. One, cold tires, and two, boost weather. So the boost weather part's gonna be sick. The tires will get warm pretty quick though, they should, but anyway, we're almost there, so let's rip. All right, here we are, gonna get these GoPros turned on real quick, and hopefully this front one stays on like I said. Look at that. Fire up. All right, that one's going. All right, car coming behind me. Let's get this next one going. And we're good. Let's do this. Okay, let's rip. So the on the first pass down, I'm not gonna go crazy hard because I haven't ever gone down this road before, and I wanna see what it's like. But on the way back, I'll hit it even harder. But like I said, don't expect me to go insanely hard because I don't want to hurt anything. Well, yeah, I don't know. I just don't want to break anything. Wow. Rubbing. Oh, this is a rough road. Oh. I went down the wrong road. I went down the wrong road. They both have the same name, except at the end there's like drive or lane, and I went down the wrong one. So we're going back to where, well, I'm gonna pass by where I just went and then continue on. I can't believe I went to the wrong one. That's hilarious. So not yet ripping, but soon to be. So I'll let you guys know when we're on the right road, hopefully. Okay, now we're on the right road, so well, let's rip. There's some cones, random cones here. I don't know why, but screw it. Here we go. What is up with these cones? Because of these cones. let's just hit it going back. That was crazy on the way back. I wasn't going, so you probably noticed I wasn't going hard the whole way through. I was just trying to hit some sections because that was my first time on that road. And yeah, no, it felt, the road was good. It got bumpy in some sections. I think that'd be a really good road to hit at night because there's not much around, and it'd be a sick toge spot. So I might do that in the future. For some reason there was cones. You saw the cones, I'm assuming. Actually, yeah, what do I mean? You definitely saw the cones because I was talking about them. I don't know what the cones were doing there. Hopefully next time I hit that road, those aren't there. If the cones weren't there, I would have felt way more comfortable because it's double lane wide, so it would have been way more comfortable. But yeah, either way, the speed felt sick. It understeered a little bit towards the end there. Probably got that, I definitely got that on camera. That was crazy. I actually got a little worried for a minute, but luckily it just gave it a little more gas and it kind of pulled itself out. But yeah, that was sick. So that was the first ever, I guess, toge, daytime toge. It's not really toge if it's daytime, right? I don't know. Fill me in on that. But the first ever back road rip in this thing. I'm gonna do a flyby or two now with the camera outside the car so you can hear the, just hear what it sounds like, because I want to before and afters, that way when I do the exhaust I have this comparison clip. So yeah, we'll do a quick little flyby. Taillight's looking sick still. All right, we're gonna head back. I'm gonna chill out on this thing because I've been ripping it pretty hard this last like 20 minutes. I'm gonna go back, let it chill out, because nice chill drive back. And yeah, that was a success. Okay, so after I rip hard on any car I ever own, I always like just go listen by the engine bay for a minute and make sure it sounds good. I can't be the only person that does that, but I'm checking right now. Everything sounds good. we're good to go. So I was rubbing real bad. Not up front actually. I think I maybe rubbed up front once, so that little roll and raise job I did worked. I rubbed a little bit in the rear on both sides, and I don't know where, but I hit pretty hard on something one of the times. I think it might have been this side. Yeah, it was for sure this side. There's something rubbing over here. Oh, it's that. I need to cut that. Maybe not actually, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so this was my first time ever ripping this car, and I guarantee this is the first time, I absolutely guarantee this is the hardest this car has ever been ripped, and I wasn't even going that hard, because this car was a single owner before me, and it was, you could tell nothing had ever been done to it. It probably was never ripped, and it was really well taken care of, so it works. I'm hyped. If you guys want to see more videos like this where I go rage roads, let me know. I was kind of uncomfortable with this first one, so give me another video or two of back road ripping and I'll be more comfortable. Yeah, that was just my first time. Camera battery died last clip, but that was my first time ever ripping back roads. Really in any car. I haven't gone like, I don't know, I normally just don't find roads, but we're gonna go hit some better roads next time. So if you guys want to see more of that, please let me know down in the comments. Also, I forgot to mention at the beginning of this video, I'm doing a giveaway t-shirt. Like, subscribe, comment on this video, and follow me on Instagram, and you'll be entered to win. It's free t-shirt. Ship it out. I'll pick someone once or twice a week. So yeah, anyway, speed works. I'm hyped. Hope everyone's hyped. Looks really good. I think the next thing I'm going to do is get these wheel wells coated, because like I said, it's getting colder out. I said that last video, and I need to get them all protected from this rust. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and by the way, BC Racing coils, they feel pretty good, not gonna lie. Oh, that's what I forgot to do. I forgot to loosen the front. The front's full stiff because let me get in the car for this train, but the front stiffness is maxed out because when I drove it that low, I wanted to max it out to try and make it not rub, but it still rubs. So I'm gonna soften up those fronts. I totally forgot to do that. They're literally 32-way adjustable up front, and they're all the way maxed out on hard. So yeah, anyway, gonna do that, and then we'll go rip it in another video. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Exhaust maybe coming soon. Peace out.